The next topic we will talk about is this icon located here called Dashboard. This is a quick and effective way to get back to this main screen from most places in the app. So say you're in population, you would actually click back here, but if you were in escalation, you would click Dashboard to get back. The same thing with rooms. If you are in a room and you'd like to get back to the dashboard, simply click Dashboard. Same thing with chat. If you were in chat, you would simply click Dashboard to go back to the dashboard. Now, the operation of going back to the dashboard can be different at times. If I'm in needs attention, I will have to click the back arrow. The same thing with engagement. I will have to click the back arrow. So as you can see, Dashboard, when available, is a quick way to get back to the main dashboard page.